Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to export 4K videos without quality loss in CapCut. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to export 4K videos without quality loss in CapCut, all you gotta do is simply go to CapCut. Once you're in your CapCut, you need to simply select the video and you need to simply tap on it. So once you get the video in your timeline, you can simply find the AI UHD option. Simply tap on it, and now in your resolution section you need to slide this cursor to the 2K 4K vision. But for this you need to make sure that you have a pro version of CapCut. If you don't have a pro version, you cannot do it. So all you gotta do is have your resolution to 4K, frame rate to 60 fps to 120 fps, and your bitrate should be 14. So if you're gonna do this, then you will be able to simply export 4K videos without quality loss. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.